my hope is this, is that this new generation of owners of contact centers are different from my generation of owners of contact centers, and that they are willing to be more adaptable to technology than the past, because there is good stuff coming out with AI. But remember, AI isn't thinking for you. That's a misunderstanding of AI today. AI is really there to kind of elegantly get rid of things that take you time to do. That's how I look at it. It gets you to the end game a little bit smoother or quicker or more consistently and with maybe less mistakes. So I hope that the new generation picks up on AI. I hope the new generation picks up on RPA, robotic process automation. And there are great tools today out there to allow for that. I think that the industry has a long way to go in as much as they're all buying communication systems that are Omni, ours being Omni Plus. I actually think that they really don't use it. They still go voice to voice. And they don't understand that people don't all communicate voice to voice anymore. I never communicate voice to voice with my transactions. I can't think of as many transactions I've done that are voice to voice anymore. So you have to, if you're a contact center, you have to figure out there's a new way, and you have it in your tech. Why aren't you using it? So yeah, go buy Omni solutions. Never buy something without it, but start using it for goodness sakes, because people aren't. And I think as you get younger people running these contact centers, and they're coming in now, these new generations, I'm seeing a lot of new generations running contact centers. They are going to adopt this at a quicker pace than the old blue-collar way of my generation running call centers.